These are the Apple EarPods with the lightning connector. These are the wired version here. I'm looking to just diversify away from these EarPods. Just get rid of a lot of EMF signals. So don't plan on stop using these permanently, but I just want to diversify. Like when you're going on a long walk or whatever, just use these lightning connector ones here. But let's open it up and see what's inside. The EarPods did a bad rap with the EMF, and a lot of people are really taking that seriously. So wired headphones are apparently coming back in. And this is what it looks like right here when you open these up. These used to come standard when you purchase an iPhone. Now you got to pick them up separately, but just like all Apple products, really nice packaging here. And again, it's just very similar to the EarPods, but basically it's just a wired version here. And again, I have the iPhone, I think it's the iPhone 13, so I still have the lightning connector, but they do have these in the USB-C as well. But I'm going to open these up here and just start using these. Like I said, not going to stop the EarPods, but this is just going to be nice to diversify. And then if you're looking to make calls on here too, I was told that the microphone on here works really well, and it just does a really phenomenal job here, and it's got the volume adjustment right here. But overall, these are, again, really nice products here right from Apple, and used to come with the actual phone. Now you just have to buy them separately, and just try and get away from the EarPods.